This video will show you how to use the dictionary tool inside of the Google Suite. So like in docs, slides, even in drawings, you can use this. So here is a word that you may have heard, but you really want to know what the definition is. So I can highlight it, and on my toolbar, I'm going to go to Tools and then Dictionary. When I do that, over here, in the right-hand panel, it tells me what bias means. So I can right away read this, maybe talk about it with a friend to make sure I understand it correctly. Maybe I see a word here like prejudice that I also am not too sure about. I could copy that and search that word. Oops. And I can do a lot of word work until I can come up with my own definition to write right here. So once again, you highlight a word. Sorry about all my clicking there. So I'm going to highlight sponsors this time. Go to Tools and then Dictionary. This is a great way to build your knowledge around vocabulary.